Hi, everyone. I'm Sehed Sani, Product Manager at Snowflake. Do you want greater resilience in your data architecture? In this video, you'll see how you can enable continuous global operations across cloud providers. Buckle up and let's check it out.
The first thing StyleMeUp employees do every morning is check this dashboard. It provides information about the health and operations of StyleMeUp globally using data from every part of the business. This dashboard is powered by Snowflake in AWS US West. It's critical that this dashboard be available and up to date with the latest data, even if there is a disruption. As an admin at StyleMeUp, I need to ensure resilience for this dashboard and for the rest of the business in the face of an outage or a natural disaster. To do so, I've set up a secondary location that's kept in sync with my primary Snowflake account. For an extra layer of resilience, this secondary location is not only in another region, but another cloud in Azure East US. Let's look at the failover group I created to do this. I used the new account replication feature. So not only are my databases kept in sync, but my users, roles, warehouses, resource monitors, and other account metadata is also synchronized between my primary and secondary locations. This makes it simple to maintain consistency in operations. I've also scheduled replication to be every 10 minutes to align with StyleMeUp's recovery point objective, but I can easily adjust that as needed. StyleMeUp has thousands of people relying on connections to this data and dashboard. To ensure a seamless experience in the event of a failover, I've also created a connection called North America that can be redirected from my primary Snowflake location in North America West to my secondary location in North America East. Now let's simulate a failure to test what happens if our primary were to go down. As you can see, queries on the primary location in AWS US West are now failing. Now we'll go to Azure US East. With two simple commands, we failover our account and redirect our client connections to Azure US East, our new primary location. Let's validate that this worked by checking on our dashboard. While this runs, let's just recap what happened. With a couple of commands, I was able to failover my account and redirect client applications to the new site without any of the manual coordination or error-prone changes that are usually required with other systems. As you can see, Azure East US is now listed as the primary location, and the dashboard remains available. The failover of the account and client connections to another region and cloud provider occurred quickly and seamlessly, all without impacting the access or productivity of anyone using the dashboard. I can also fail back to AWS US West just as seamlessly. Replication is valuable not just in the event of an outage. It also helps teams collaborate on data across different clouds and regions. A data science team in Europe has requested access to some of the underlying data from our dashboard to use in their ML model. However, this team uses Google Cloud. To satisfy this request, I can easily replicate this data to GCP Netherlands with just a few clicks. I'm able to control which databases are replicated. Additionally, all governance policies, including masking and row access policies, are replicated and will continue to apply to the data. This data is now available for that team to securely work with in their local region and preferred cloud. And as I get requests from teams in Asia and Oceania, I can replicate this data just as easily, enabling all of StyleMeUp's global teams to seamlessly collaborate. As you just saw, Snowflake not only provides a consistent experience regardless of cloud provider, but also allows you to operate and collaborate across multiple clouds. In the event of a disruption like a natural disaster, StyleMeUp can continue to operate with data consumers not even realizing a disruption has occurred. Additionally, entire data sets or portions of data can be replicated and shared with teams around the world, no matter what region or cloud they use. This unlocks new levels of collaboration while still maintaining consistent permissions and protections on the data.
Thank you for checking out the latest cross-cloud capabilities in Snowflake. How might these features help you with your business continuity plans or multi-cloud strategy? Let us know in the comments. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when we put out a video. For more information, go to signup.snowflake.com. Thanks so much for watching.